Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a legend? To have your name echo through the halls of history, whispered in tales of conquest and glory. Today, we journey back in time to the age of longships and steel, to uncover the saga of a Viking warrior whose ambition reshaped the very map of Europe. This isn't just a story of raids and battles. It's the tale of a visionary, a leader, and a force of nature. Our story begins in the harsh, unforgiving landscapes of Scandinavia, a land that forged people as strong as the winter ice. From this crucible of hardship emerged a young warrior. Let's call him Ragnar. Though his story is a tapestry woven from the deeds of many real-life heroes, he wasn't born a king, but he possessed something far more valuable: a burning ambition and a mind as sharp as his axe. While others saw only the sea as a barrier, he saw it as a highway to destiny. Gathering a loyal band of shield brothers, Ragnar set his sights beyond the horizon. His first voyages were daring raids, striking coastal monasteries and towns with lightning speed and ferocity. These weren't just chaotic rampages. Each raid was meticulously planned. A testament to his strategic genius, he learned the rhythms of the tides, the weaknesses of his enemies, and the intoxicating allure of silver and gold. Word of his successes spread like wildfire, and soon his small band of raiders swelled into a formidable army, a great heathen host drawn to his banner of victory. But plunder alone couldn't satisfy his ambition. Ragnar understood that true power wasn't just taken, it was built. His vision expanded from raiding to conquest. From hit-and-run attacks to establishing permanent settlements, he sailed up the Seine to the heart of Francia, laid siege to the walls of Paris, and negotiated with kings and emperors. He demonstrated that Vikings were not just mindless savages, but savvy politicians and formidable opponents on the grand chessboard of medieval Europe. His influence stretched from the foggy shores of England, where his armies carved out a kingdom known as the Danelaw, to the sun-drenched coasts of the Mediterranean. He and his followers navigated the treacherous rivers of the East, reaching the gates of Constantinople, the greatest city in the world. They were explorers, merchants, and mercenaries, creating a vast network of trade that connected distant cultures. They brought amber and fur from the north and returned with silk, spices, and revolutionary new ideas. The legacy of this great Viking warrior is far more complex than just a trail of destruction. In the lands they settled, they brought their laws, their language, and their unique system of governance. They founded cities like Dublin and York, transforming them into bustling hubs of commerce and culture. The very DNA of nations was altered by their arrival. They were catalysts for change, forcing kingdoms to centralize their power, build stronger defenses, and develop new naval technologies just to counter the Viking threat. So, when we think of the Vikings, let's look beyond the horned helmet myth. Let's see the master strategists, the intrepid explorers, the shrewd traders, and the nation builder. The saga of our warrior is a powerful reminder that history is often written by those who dare to sail into the storm. His story isn't just one of a single man, but the story of how a people from the frozen north left an indelible mark on the world, a legacy that continues to shape our culture, language, and politics to this very day. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through the Viking Age. If you enjoyed this saga, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tales from history. Until next time, stay curious.